Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the blog post element. The blog post element allows you to show a blog post from your store onto the page. Let me drag a blog post element into the page and select a blog post to show. By default, the blog post element has some mini elements inside: blog image, blog title, blog summary, and blog list more. I can insert other mini elements inside. Let's say I want to insert the blog meta element right here. You can find all the mini elements for the blog post under the blog section. They are blog title, blog meta, blog image, blog summary, and blog list more. Let's walk through the options the blog post element has to offer. First, we have blog post option that we can select the blog post to show. Then we can adjust the padding and the margin for the blog post element. Now let me design a simple blog post section using the blog post element. First, I will remove all the default mini elements. I will insert a row element to structure the content. In the left column, I will insert a blog image element. And in the right column, I will insert a blog title, blog meta, blog summary, and blog read more. And it looks like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.